Hey everyone, it's Val here. Welcome back to my Unboxing with Val channel. So, today's video, I've got Ipsy. It's Ipsy Wednesday. We love Ipsy Wednesdays. We love getting Ipsy bags. So, this is April's bag. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, I took a little peek and I saw something that I like. Okay, so Ipsy's bag is this this like canvas, kind of like canvas material with, I love them, with blue flowers with a blue floral print, and then it's got this like burgundy, like burgundy zipper thing. And the burgundy zipper kind of reminds me of like ribbon. Yeah, ribbon zipper. And then on the back it says, look good, do good. Look good and do good. So that is April's bag. Now let's go ahead and open it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this little one up. And then we actually have an information card again. I don't think we got the information card last time. Times, but I could be wrong. Okay, so I'm excited to what we've got so far with the information card. Now let's go ahead and pull them out. Okay, so first thing we'll pull out is, what brand is this? The Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Hand Cream, which is certified toxic-free, 100% natural, a new evolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulations. The biology of beautiful skin. Let's see. So it comes in this little black tube. Kind of reminds me of like maybe like paint, of like a paint tube, or like super glue tube. So how do we open this? Well, friends, I'm not sure how to open this. Oh, got it. I think. Yep, I got it. Okay. Let's smell it. Oh, it's kind of citrusy. It's a citrusy, oh, it says vanilla orange peel. Yeah, so it's going to be like a citrusy scent. And it feels really smooth and buttery. Oh, I love this, the feeling of it. Oh, and it smells so cool. It smells citrusy. I love the citrus smell. I love it. Okay, so this is the Grown Alchemist, like I said, hand cream, vanilla orange peel, and the packaging is kind of interesting. It really reminds me of a paint tube. So next we have this. This is the CAB, K-A-B. Looks like a little lip liner. K-A-B Cosmetics. It looks like a little lip liner. Actually, let's wait. So, I think it's a lip liner. Like a burgundy colored lip liner. This is the color. If you can see with the little, like against my hand. Now we have Hey Honey. The Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. It says, it's non abrasive. It has dissolving salt, crystalline minerals, clear away rough patches and blackheads from the surface, from the skin surface. I actually do like the Hey Honey brand. They have this moisturizer that I really liked, and I need to get it again. I'm having trouble opening this because I want to smell it. I got it. Okay, I want to. And the Hey Honey, you can get it from Ulta, from what I know. So I've been meaning to get it, I just haven't gotten it yet. This one kind of smells, unless of my hands, kind of smells citrusy too, which I like citrusy. So I'm perfectly fine with that. But it's just a little face scrub. And then we've got the Ren Clean Skincare Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. Let's open this one too. Oh, this is the product. So this is a mask. Let's open it and smell it because that's what I've been doing. Oh, this one's also citrusy. Like they all smell And it's on my hand. This one's a different citrus smell. Oops, it fell. That's okay. What's next? This looks like a little palette of some sort. It's the Shaina B Miami. I can figure out how to open it. It's like looks like a bronzer or eyeshadow. So that's what this one is. Oh, let's show you. So here it is closed. And here it is open. It is actually a eyeshadow duo. So let's go ahead and read information about them. Like I said, I really like this bag. This bag's really cute. Excited for this one. Okay, so April 2023's theme is anything is possible. It says a new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and BoxyCharm together under Ipsy to create the Ultimate Beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all. Experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. Okay, let's see. So, the little information card says, we're going to start with, hey honey, come clean Propolis and Dead Sea Mineral Facial Scrub. This Propolis and Dead Sea salt-powered face scrub helps to gently smooth away rough skin and clogged pores. It turns into a milky lather as you scrub, which rinses off clean and leaves your skin looking brighter and softer without feeling dry or tight. Tip, use a very light pressure when massaging for best results. So this is the deluxe sample, and the full-size sample is $29. The Grown Alchemist hand cream, the vanilla and orange peel is next. It says this award-winning hand cream is brimming with flavonoids, omega fatty acids, and antioxidants from precious rose petal oil, rose hip oil, sea buckthorn berry, and wheat germ oils to help rejuvenate and replenish your dry hands into a soft and supple state. The tip is to use this on just washed, slightly damp hands for a boost in moisture. Okay, that sounds like a really good tip. And then this is the deluxe sample. The full-size version is $26. The next item is the Shaina B Miami. There's the Shaina B Miami B Brazen Eyeshadow Duo. That's this one. Can you name a more iconic eyeshadow duo? These perfectly paired pigments are buttery smooth, never streaky or patchy, and ultra blendable, making it easy to go from subtle to dramatic in the blink of an eye. Their tip is to use a shimmery shade on the inner corners of your eyes to make them pop, pop. This is the deluxe sample, and the full-size version of the product is $23. And then the next product is the Ren Clean Skincare Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. Loved by celebs and beauty editors alike, this exfoliating mask uses a blend of glycolic, lactic, citric, and tartaric acids to help smooth skin texture, minimize the look of fine lines and pores, and fade dark spots. Hello, glow! Their tip is to use a slight tingling sensation might occur. Don't worry, it's totally normal. This is the deluxe sample, and the full size of this product is $58, which doesn't surprise me because it does say loved by celebs and beauty editors alike. So this is going to be more on the higher end of skincare in my opinion. And then the last item is the CAB Cosmetics Lip Liner in Red Velvet. So that was this one. It says rich, creamy, and highly pigmented. This Sleeping Bunny certified cruelty-free and vegan lip liner checks all the boxes for a perfectly defined pout. We love the lush red pigments that help to carve out the contours of your lips for a fuller lip that doesn't feather or fade for hours. Tip, use this to overline your lips and blend with a matte liquid lippy for an even fuller look that lasts. This is the full size of the product, and it is $12, which in my opinion is very affordable for a lip liner. So that was April 2023. Ipsy unboxing. If you all enjoyed this Ipsy unboxing, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below what you think of Ipsy and BoxyCharm merging into one. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!